A senior Digicel executive testified today that he could not link any of the mobile phones seized during the 2011 apprehension of prominent artist Vybz Kartel and his 4 accused to any of the accused. It is argued that the phones contain vital information relating to the August 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams, for which the men are charged. That murder allegedly took place at a Swallowfield Avenue, Havendale, St Andrew property of the entertainer. Dara Smith continues her coverage of the murder trial.
Yesterday, Judge Lennox Campbell ruled that all the information retrieved from cellular phones allegedly belonging to entertainer Vybz Kartel should be admitted into evidence. However, today an executive of telecommunications provider Digicel revealed information which could make that evidence questionable. Joseph Simmons is Group Business Risk Director at Digicel. He testified that he received numerous requests for telephone information for over 40 cellular phones said to be seized from the entertainer and the 4 other co-accused. Mr. Simmons testified that he prepared 2 witness statements accompanied by 2 CDs entitled JS1, which is a sealed copy, and JS2, a working copy, which were handed over to the police. Under cross-examination, Mr. Simmons testified that, among other things, the police wanted Digicel to ascribe ownership of the over 40 cellular phones. Defense attorney for Vybz Kartel, Tom Tavares-Finson, then asked Mr. Simmons to tell the court which one of the cellular phones is ascribed to Deejays Palmer, which is Vybz Kartel's given name. Mr. Simmons responded, "From my recollection, none is ascribed to Deejays Palmer." Mr. Tavares-Finson continued, "You tell the court which one belongs to Sean Campbell." Now, Sean Campbell is better known as Sean Storm. Mr. Simmons asked the court for permission to refer to his witness statement. After looking at the statement, he responded, "Of the 8 numbers for which I provided subscriber information, there is none for Palmer." But Mr. Tavares-Finson pressed, "You don't have one in relation to Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones, Shane Williams, or Andre St. John?" Mr. Simmons responded, "No," essentially testifying that none of the over 40 cellular phones was registered to any of the accused. The defense then turned its questioning to the CDs prepared by Digicel to be used as whether there was to modify the information contained on the CDs. The first CD, entitled JS1, was sealed to be used for the purposes of evidence, while JS2 would be the working copy for the police, the prosecution, and defense to use. However, when asked to identify the CD, the Digicel executive could not, because he explained that for JS2 there was no specific identification mark. He also testified that it was possible for the CD to be reproduced and modified. So when he was unable to definitively identify the working CD JS2, Mr. Tavares-Finson wanted Mr. Simmons to look at the sealed copy JS1 and do a match to ascertain if it was in fact the correct CD, to which Mr. Simmons requested that he be given JS1. When the prosecution was asked to present the witness with the CD, the prosecution told the court they did not have the CD. So where is it? Mr. Tavares-Finson asked Mr. Simmons, "Are you aware that your control document is lost?" Mr. Simmons responded, "I've been told that." The cross-examination of the Digicel executive will continue tomorrow. Dara Smith, TVJ News.